Okay friends, so I got this on there. So the back one I put in to hold it into the stud. Now these I leveled it out, so once I made it level I screw these in with a washer. Got two washers in behind here, so my cover can go behind there with his little hooks. Also the same up here. I put a spacer in behind there, so I could put that up there too. I put duct tape around this to hold it in place. I put my cord up there, and I also put duct tape all around the holes in the attic there, so no spideys and stuff will come down through there. Probably go up in the attic and put some maybe some filler in there as well and tape that up. Just don't want to get any creepy crawlies coming in through my vent. Other than that, I think I'm going to try to put the cover on there and see how that works and plug it in, see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching this part. I screwed all these in, everything seems to be good. Not really a lot of draft coming in from anywhere, so I'm pretty happy with this so far.